the yawning. We going night mornings.
It's Christmas.
Stop the yawning. We going night mornings.
All you wake up.
Stop the yawning. We going night mornings.
It's night
Stop the yawning. We going night mornings. Hello. Stop the yawning.
Answer your phone.
Hello. We going night mornings.
Wake up, wake up.
Night nights, up lights. All you ready? Come, 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 come one and all. Come to the gardens, come and have a ball. If all you're going, let we go. The botanicans on show. 9 nights of lights, beautiful for so. The botanicans on show.
I love it. It's beautiful. All the lights, it's gorgeous. And I'll encourage anybody like who come for Christmas, spend the holiday, they must come to Botanic Garden. I never seen anything like this. I mean, in St. Vincent then. But I encourage anybody to come. Visit. They won't regret it. It's beautiful. The lights, they're gorgeous. I love it.
To 23rd we go. 9 nights of celebration.
Came here last year and the lights even better than last year, and even coming to this particular section I thought it was always phenomenal, and they've outdone themselves again. So really well done to the committee who's organised the lights, and also everyone else around who's always never mentioned but is really part of this culture. And I'll come here again and again as it gets better and better and better. One of the things that's always good about 9 nights is, it's 9 nights, right? Yeah, I always confuse the 9 nights and 9 mornings, but that's just me. Because again, it's just involvement of the community and just the way how it's really the inspired reasons of getting better and better and seeing new different things that I wouldn't have expected before. Keep on going.
Friends and family, let we go. Lovers are courting, children playing too. The Botanic Gardens on show.
It's really pretty.
Yeah, it's really good this year. I really like the hearts and everything.
It's really fun to
really
come
pretty.
and come with friends.
Yeah.
And just
I think it develops more through the year. I think every year it gets like better. It's really good.
But it's great. Love it.
It's my first time here, so yeah, it's really nice.
Preparing for the birthday of Jesus Christ, our wow. 9 nights of celebration. 9 nights of lights.
The lights just got here, but it's
We
but
came
it's good.
from California, and the lights are beautiful.
My parents are from here,
take a
so
picture of
they
the
said
heart,
that
you need to
the lights
kiss
are
it.
a good thing to come to every year. So we wanted to make sure that we did that before we left.
It's probably the best I've seen, or the most lights I've seen in all the years that they've been doing this. It's quite nice because I remember even last year this had a different setup. It's more of a lovebird setup this time. So yeah, it's very nice. And the stage is bigger as well. I noticed this year as well for the performances.
I think we need some themes, but it's nice.
I noticed that the items for the kids, like the bouncy houses, have gotten a little less, but the lights have definitely improved more. It's some more of a variety, and in all honesty, it's more decorative. It looks really nice this year. Like they put their best foot forward.
This year they did really well, okay? It's better than last year, my opinion.
Viewing the creativity, it's really good.
They did more lights than last year. I think they put in a lot of work into the the lights. You understand me? So yeah, it's nice.
9 nights of love, 9 nights in the gardens, fun can done. 9 nights.
I think it's fantastic. Really good. It is beautiful. I mean, it's well done. It's worth the money. Trust me. I would encourage anybody to come and see.
Up lights. Everybody, come me welcome you. The Botanic Gardens on show. Plenty to eat, drink, and music galore. The Botanic Gardens on show. Pan and parang pumpkin, movie night we go. The Botanic Gardens on show. National parks take a bump for sure. The Botanic Gardens on show.
Gives the spirit of joy, you know, Christmas spirit. It's good. A lot of kids, and they seem to be enjoying themselves, which is good. Yeah.
Yeah, we were here like about 2-3 years ago. Yeah, big improvement, lot more lights. Yeah, the ambience is very nice.
Yeah. Very festive.
For the birthday of Jesus Christ, wow, 9 nights of celebration, 9 nights of lights, 9 nights of love, 9 nights in the gardens, fun can done. Come and have a ball.
Stop the yawning. We going 9 mornings.
Christmas.
Stop the yawning. We going 9 mornings.
All your wake
Stop
up.
the yawning. We going 9 mornings.
Just 9
Stop the yawning. We going 9 mornings. Hello. Stop the yawning.
Answer your phone.
Hello. We going 9 mornings.
Wake up, wake up.
Come on! If you met Richie beat you one more time, I beat you. Anyhow, Richie beat you one more time, I take off my belt. Let it go, let it go. You have him. You can't touch him out now. You have him now. You have him now. You have him. Yeah. You have him. You have him. You can't touch him out now. Mix and I study him out now. You study Richie now. Let it go. You have him. Hold him, Richie. Hold him, Richie. Hold him, Richie.
Greasy Pig competition this morning, right? To see who would win the pig, and I want you to be a part of that, right? But for you to be a part of that, you must do this tongue twister. It says, Greasy Pig, prance, past people playing parang. Greasy Pig, prance, past people playing parang. You have to see how fast you could say that. And then you get a chance to win a whole pig to carry back to England. And this pig have passport, in case you're wondering. We have a passport for this pig so you can travel back to England. Right? You're vegetarian? This pig a vegetarian too. Yeah. Greasy pig, prance, past people playing parang.
Greasy pig, pass, pig.
Pass. Let me get that wrong. Right, past people.
Pass people.
Plain parang.
Plain parang.
Yeah. So now you have to put that together as fast as you can.
So Greasy Pig past people playing parang.
Yeah. Right. So we're counting it now. 1, 2, 3.
Greasy Pig past playing people parang.
Let me go. Nah, skip out. So let me go again.
Greasy Pig past playing people parang.
Nah, you skip out something. Let me see if we get somebody else who will manage this. Greasy people. Greasy Pig prance past people playing parang. Hey. Come on, that's good. Richie, you're bad. Let me come over here and see if we can find a man who can make that the faster than Richie. Let me try that there. Me pan over here. Let me go. Greasy Pig. Come pan. I hold him, man. Mr. Sorry. Let me go. Greasy Pig prance past people playing parang.
Greasy Pig past people playing parang.
Almost, but Mr. Sabalico, let go again.
Greasy Pig past people playing parang.
Prance past people playing parang.
Greasy Pig past people playing parang.
Nah. Richie, you have them on. You're still in the run. Let go again. One more try for you.
Greasy Pig past people playing parang.
Prance past people. Prance past. Yeah, right. There we go now. You have it now. You say, oh, I feel you have it now. Let me go.
Greasy Pig prance past people playing parang.
Right, let me go. One more time. Faster than that.
Greasy Pig prance past people playing parang.
I feel it be Richie. Let me go again. One more time.
Greasy Pig prance past people playing parang.
Nah, man, a bad man. I'll come back for you. I feel like I win that day.
It's my first time here. I'm from Holland. Yeah. I'm with my brother. I'm with my nephew. It's the first time I see something like this. So yeah, it's okay. I like it. My other brother and his girlfriend from England. Yeah, she's from England. Dana.
It was fun. A little bit emotional with the pig, but it's good to see it real in life.
It's community, man. You know, that community spirit, that cohesion. You know, here people coming out, and I get to enjoy this moment with my brothers here as well. You know, so yeah, Richland Park. It's a great feeling to be here.
Well, basically we have the best night morning in Simmons. You know, so I invite my brothers and them to come and enjoy the moment with me.
Good morning, it's night morning.
Right. Yes, this one gone. Left, right. Now listen. Let me go again. Left. You're lucky. If you flip over again. Left. And left again. Right. Left. They say you win something? Come down, right? Let's go the first gift for the morning. Anima! Set! Go! Go, Casper! Go, Casper! Corner! 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 Come back, Calvin! Corner! Corner! Yeah, Casper is so friendly with your back. You're not waste no time. Set! Go! You have to open your hand right there and go move, open your arms. Lego Jasmine! Corner Jasmine! Corner! Let Jasmine take on! Let come! Let Jasmine beat Jasmine! Wait! Come Jasmine! Lush Jasmine!
Boys are on tire with two sticking
Stick like that.
When they're ready, they are waiting them. In them days, they have scooter and tap.
And marble, rigid marble.
Yeah.
Skipping.
We used to have gummy drop out.
It's a good time to wish up back and say the night morning. Come on, stream.
It's still a lot of fun in this night morning because they have.
It's a real big discussion going behind the menu. One have the texture, one has too much salt, next one only use flour.
And lime and spoon. So there are a lot of
So let's go. Let's go. Anima. Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 17, 18, 19, 20. 33. Mother! Keep counting, Anna! Keep counting! We don't lose count. Yeah. You ready? Anima! Set! Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13, 14, 15. I don't even know if you're disappointed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You like West Indies. 2 try and you still can't make your runs. You ready now? How much you think you could make?
10.
Right, 10. Anima! Set! If you make more than 10, I give you a mark. Right? Anima! Set! Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change my mind. 10, 11. How much you make?
Well, I was born here, but grew up in Trinidad and U.S.
Grew up in Trinidad and U.S. and you come home just for the night morning. Right, lovely. Nice having you this morning. You're gonna come on stage with me for a little bit. Right? Right. So, somebody give me a time. I need somebody with a phone. Sharon. Remember your husband have to wear this to work, eh? Husband have to wear to work.
Every day is Christmas, and God is always great coming to my house. Sit down at my table, laugh, eat and drink.
Let's see how much you get. You're going good, so I have time remaining. You have 51 seconds remaining. I am putting pressure on you now, just trying to encourage. You miss the armpit, but I don't know which part. 15 seconds remaining. 15, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. That's it. Anima? Set. Me not ready yet, I know we have to drive with that and speed. Set. Go. Music digit. Let it go, let it go. I remember Pastor need this for Sunday morning. Right? It's a technique, you know. I don't feel every technique like the song.
The feeling is darling and the feeling is rising. The new year is starting. Give thanks for your living.
Yeah, boy.
This is what I want to say to you. Happy birthday and we love you. Happy birthday. I want you to hear me say happy birthday. This is your day. Happy birthday.
Let it go. One scream, man.
Happy birthday. This is your day.
You have 40 seconds remaining. 40 seconds remaining. I just look like a school skirt, pleat all kind of thing. Oh, you smart, you have 2 on time.
Darling, tell the neighbor daughter she could come over. She is a doctor. Man, when me neighbor daughter.
Let it go.
If you see me walking like I broke up, I tell she to come and rub me down.
Sure.
She put me to lie down on the ground. So I tell she, you can rub from head to toe.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Right? Out of 10. Contestant number 1. Right? Yeah, but I was taking them one at a time. Right? Okay, that's contestant number 1. What?
Mine's had more crease.
Your shirt had more crease than the others. Yeah. Everybody saw.
Everybody saw that my shirt had more crease.
Yeah, they wrap up your shirt and give you. Yeah. So more crease. More crease before, more crease after. wait. And wait, Alina judge not make she influence your judging about more crease, you know. Let me see, no, you can't show, let me see hands. No? Again, up so. Finna judge. I'm going to talk about you win a finna. Nah. This. Pie church there again. I want to come at church Sunday because I really want to see pastor in this. Hold up. Right, and this one. Back against the wall. Okay, put up my hand if this hour. So we go. Number 1. Hold your shot. Number 2. Alright, Christian people going to hell for you. So the winner this morning is number 1.
I enjoy everything, the tire race. I enjoy the tire race and the light from left to right. I always enjoy the people don't want to take part to do nothing. They always want to come to night morning and they don't want to take part for the night morning. Good and nice. I always enjoy the night morning.
But enjoy just being a spectator.
Yeah.
The big making.
You got team?
All the activities was fun. I enjoyed everything so far, but I was just judging the bakes competition, and I picked number 1 for the taste. The texture for number 2 was really good, but I went on taste overall. So yes, but I enjoyed it this morning.
I buy up on the drinks for the Christmas. You didn't come, nobody come. I prepare on the food for the season. Nobody come. It's not like I didn't invite them. They don't need an invitation. But like everybody stayed home and waiting on one another to come. Feel the Christmas vibes, Vincent Christmas sweet.
Christmas vibes.
This is the year 2025, and this is the theme that I am promoting. It's celebrating the biblical journey with Jesus Christ, the reason for the season.
Feel the Christmas vibes, Vincent Christmas sweet. Go visit your neighbor across the street. Feel the Christmas vibes, Vincent Christmas sweet. Christmas is our time.
Obviously, there are changes, and for sure, the changes are much better than what I had given last time around. You see, with inspiration, certain things come to mind, and you just act and be obedient and follow. And this is the outcome of all the changes. As you go around, you would definitely see. You see that? At Christmas time, it's love and joy in the red and white over there. You have it? So we need to be loving people and be a joyful people all the time. And this one, here we have a heart. Here is a heart. And what is happening here? The heart, I will remove your heart of stone and give you a heart of flesh. Hence the reason for one side of the heart with stone and this side flesh. The light of the world is Jesus. Over here, what we have here now, we have the boy Jesus at the temple. And you have him over here, picture with the guys. Here. And you have Mary and Joseph who found them in the temple, and you have the Bible at the back open.
A joyous spirit was in the air. People coming from far and near.
Another walk that Jesus would have done when they had brought him, and he said, get up, pick up your bed and walk. It's a woman who had the issue of blood for 12 years. And she said, if only I can touch the hem of the garment. So she did. He's the King of Kings. So the crown represents that he's a king. Yes. And it's all about Christmas. And the children will tell, parents will tell about Santa bringing tithes or gifts and so on. So we have Santa with his gifts. And the reindeers are pulling him. And it's Christmas time and it's 9 morning, as you are aware. We have 9 morning going on, so at the back there, we have a section, the Ministry of Culture, Best Lit House. I have 12 house places. They are all.
Feel the Christmas vibes, Vincent Christmas sweet. Go visit your friends and your family. Feel the Christmas vibes, boy, Vincent Christmas sweet.
Two ladies, you see that one at each end of the bumper thing there? Yeah? 9 mornings. So the car is also decorated. And this whole section going down here now is all about 9 mornings. 9 mornings taking place now, and these are the communities, some of them, and based on the first letter for the name of the community, for example, blue. The blue arches are Barley, Beckway, Bible, Bridgetown, representing that. The cream, Canaan, Clifton, Cotton Ground. Then you have purple, you have Petty Bedell, and Point Village. Orange with the O, you have Ovia. And the R, red, Rosebank, Rose Hall, and Richland Park. And the white represents Kingston, because that is the organizing thing. So these arches have the paints to represent those. Right? So these are the villages, and obviously you have a Christmas tree going between them, and they are still saying a heart of love. And you have a young man here who went to 9 morning on his bicycle. Here he is with his hat on, and he riding, going to 9 morning. And this section represents some of the things that you'd find, like they have hula hoop for the girls to do hula hoop races and so on. And you have guitarists playing in the bands and so. And then obviously it extends down to the end down here, where I utilize the barrel rims to to do the hula hoop. Now this section, which I left for last, is a story by itself. You notice that you have some animals around an enclosure, outside of the enclosure. That's because this section is predicting Jesus is God, and this is actually the flood, Noah's Ark. See, there's a boat. There's a boat down there, and in the boat, Noah's Ark, you have a man come in the corner over there with the hat, and you have a woman, right? Representation. And they represent the other men and women who were in the boat. Then you have a boat over there with the animals that went in. So you have 2 reindeers in already, so those reindeers outside could not have entered again. There was only 2. Yeah? Then the animal down below, it is a monkey, but the monkey died. The flood water killed the monkey. So you have 2 dogs and you have 2 birds. So this is really representation of Noah's Ark and the flood here. Here we have a big A, and the A represents the Almighty. Yes? The Almighty has done great things. And below the Almighty is love extended in lights, the heart. And you have another heart here. And this one here now, we have here only 5 loaves and 2 fish. So you have the loaves in the tray, in the basket, and the 2 fish at the bottom.
Feel the Christmas vibes, Vincent Christmas sweet. Christmas is our time to meet and greet.
Dubs night morning is? That's right.
6, 7, 8, 9, kick it out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 step touch, double time for 1.
Take time with the ring. Let's go again.
Come on, free up yourself, dance.
Yeah, man.
Mr. Lano Lano, it's Christmas again, boy. Oh, let me drink then. You know what I'm drinking.
It's Christmas time.
Let me
Wow. Baby, sorry here. Choose a flavor and excuse us, please. Let us continue. All right. So now we are down to 2 drinks and 3 young ladies. Maestro, run this style.
Mr. Lano Lano, it's Christmas again, boy. Oh, let me drink then. You know what I'm drinking.
Don't touch the ring, dance, but don't touch the ring, hello.
Let me know. Christmas season is approaching. Ay, 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 ay. And this year I am joking. Oh, yo, yo, yo.
Wow. Wow. It's almost as if the drink came up in she hand. She didn't take it up herself. You like it jump in she hand. Thank you, baby. Choose one of the drinks. All right. So we have the 1 pour soda in the center of the ring. Going to be in the battle now. Let's go.
Mr. Lano Lano, it's Christmas again, boy. Oh, let me drink then. You know what I'm drinking.
You're watching it like a hot boy.
Christmas season is approaching.
Watching the drink like a hot. Oh, whoa. Whoa.
Very well.
Whoa. Wait, baby, don't go yet. Okay? All right. On the count of 5, we're going to start. Come with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Begin.
She make a couple bottles so she half a me siren. She try to tell me with things from
well, this one, whoa. Like she has done this challenge before. I can't believe the speed with which she's going. It gets more difficult as the cups get heavier. Allow me. What's your fault?
She want me kaka do. She want me kaka do.
It seems like we're gonna have a winner. White shot. And she goes. Oh, no, that's your ball. You have to pick the cup up. All right. All right.
Let me go.
Let's see if she can mount this one for the win. Oh, it's not as simple as it looks, is it? The first one to start.
Let's go! You can do it! You can do it!
Yeah, man!
Concentrate! Concentrate!
Oh, man! So let's go. Give it up for my girl. What's your name? Ophelia Jocelyn. Ophelia, what's your name, brethren? Tyrell Glasgow. Don't worry, both of you get participation gifts, but of course, you know the winner gets a prize, right? Back in the days, there was a thing called the vroom vroom. You remember this? If you're under the age of 18 and tell me you remember this, I don't believe you. Begin. Don't worry about the engine cold. Zoom start.
She tried to bribe me with things from how she barrel. Less you nice, put on me phone. Now come in here, so go quarrel. Have me rooster she wants. She said too much.
One engine start on the left.
Pressure to kill she now want.
Looking like a V6.
Too much assault in her she has.
So the kids who don't know about this,
she want me kaka good.
this is what we used to play with as a toy back in the day. So we didn't have all those expensive toys. We made our own toys.
That's right.
So in stops you learn how to do all these things.
That's
so
right.
Viewers online,
So pass it along.
those were our toys back in the day. Those were our toys.
The engine start already, the engine start. But she wanted it to go faster. You see me? And as part of the challenge, what we used to do with the vroom vroom after? Hey, Marsha?
We used to cut string with it, Tona.
Alright.
We used to cut string with it.
Alright, we used to get the vroom vroom wow. Yes, man.
And you hold it in all different angles. All different styles.
The vroom vroom engine bus.
Yes, so we went back in the day.
Let me get another engine, please. That bus. So we're going to give them these two balloons that are covered with shaving cream. They're covered with shaving cream. We want you to make it nice and clean without popping the balloon. The cleanest shave, and you're getting a razor blade, not a shaver. Alright? So, on the count of three, counting down from three, we're gonna see it. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. The shaving begins. Steady hands. And strategy. If the balloon pop, Lord.
I've got a feeling that is real. Smiling faces everywhere. Come and join the Christmas cheer. I want you all to join in me.
Cool, you looking like a pro over here, though.
Like a pro.
Like a pro shaver. That's a shaving queen. That's a shaving queen. Oh, Lord. Well, if a woman put a man to shave it, boy, what a time.
Wow.
And she got the flick of the wrist too to get out the cream. Wow. I'm impressed. And Randy is taking his time because Randy knows one false move with a shaver is going to cause some serious damage. So he's taking his time, but Cooley.
It's like the lady of a shaving company.
Oh Lord. Cooley that she met the balloon and the shaver and the razor. And she's just chewing her gum like nobody's business. She's like completely unbothered by the shaving. And she has done this before many times. Shaving smooth objects. Yes.
It's like Cool is saying to a client, you just sit still and I'll shave.
Yeah. Don't worry, I got you, she's telling the balloon. You won't pop and I won't stop. Let's go. Oh, brother Randy, I tell you, he's taking his time because he understands how delicate a job this is.
Let's give them a countdown from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1. Okay, all right. Pull up. I want you to show the balloons to the audience. And I want the audience to tell me which balloon is the most clean shaved balloon. Cooley or Randy? If it's Cooley, make some noise. If it's Randy, make some noise. Well, it look like that sound like it's Cooley, right? Cooley, where did you get your shaving skills from?
right here at my morning.
Wow, we are taking you back to the traditional days when people used to iron pan coal pot. They used to heat the iron on the coal pot, and what they do, they iron the clothes. Anybody here ever heat an iron pan coal pot before? I need to see who you are. Some people only do that when current gone. I'm talking about people who use this as a standard growing up. Ready? Darling, wake up. Careful there, baby. Careful there, baby. Darling, do me a favor. Go by the name Echo Sankarila. Darling, tell the neighbor Lord.
So this iron is just like in the day. Children again, we didn't have electric iron. That's why I'm saying that you don't ever forget where you come from.
And that's
hard our parents used to work just to send us to school, to church. We didn't have electric iron.
The kids, you have to learn a bit of your history here. Imagine you have to wake up. How many of you have to iron your own clothes? Imagine you have to wake up and hot coals, heat up an iron, and iron your clothes, and then take down the clothes, the coals, and go and bathe and dress and get ready. You have to wake up all the other your custom wake up. Could you imagine doing this every morning? Or at least when we iron it, we have to iron all one time. Yes. Monday to Friday soon. One time.
You ever come down?
We come from 10, 9,
8,
7,
6,
5. Wait, no, see. 4,
3,
2,
1.
half, 0. All right. So we know which of the sisters used to do all the ironing. And which one of the sisters married to Mr. Crease?
Well, the ironing, I know about the ironing, but I never experienced it. When I was born, we were accustomed to plug-in irons.
I have. In times when current went, I've seen it happen before. I never did it myself, but I've seen it happen before.
The iron, I know about the iron on the coal pot. I'm actually from Guyana, so I know about the hot iron on the coal pot or the stove and do the ironing, yes. That one was excellent. That was good. So I say they should have put shorts or pants to get the seam. So that would have been excellent, but it was good.
The ironing one was fun to see because I grew up ironing. So, you know, you just use the coal pot or when current gone, you put it on the stove. And the spinny thingy. Y'all have a different name for it.
Well, Stubbs 9 mornings, everybody's staying. And it's a wonderful morning, although it's raining. I'm enjoying it quite a bit. The community spirit, the lights, the fun, the action, it's really nice.
Well, it was a first time experience for me here. It's really good, it's great. It's good to see that the old ways are still being celebrated, and you know, it's really good. Knowing that these times we are living in and you know, everything around us, it's really important that they have this celebration here and to remind the youth what it is really about in Stubbs or throughout the world. It's really mind-blowing.
Only 9 mornings, living up to its name. Only 9 mornings, only 9 mornings, only 9 mornings that the peace is maintained.
Yes, this is the Hull's residence, the Villa Top Gardens. And we're at it for another year. Well, each year, of course, we come up with a different theme and also different running of the lights, different stories told. And this year we decided to break up the entire garden into 9 different sections. So the theme basically is telling the Christmas story with flowers and lights. So we have, first of all, the introductory board, directional board, that tells you exactly what is on display. And then the 9 gardens would include things like the Santa Claus and his family, the engine room, so to speak, getting the gifts together for distribution. Then you have a set of lights up in the sky. We call that when you look up, you see the effect. So that's a different section of the garden. Then there's the children's corner, where you have different bits and pieces to make the children happy. And then we have the fruit trees. They are decorated in a particular way in the garden. Then we have the flower garden, which is out to the road. We call that the highway garden. The chandeliers is within the tree setting. So that's another aspect. And then there's a landscaping aspect around the rocks, because we have some abu in the area, some rocks in the area. So we decorate them a particular way. So that's another aspect of the garden. And then on the upper deck we have flora and fauna, where we feature the wildlife of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, including the national bird, the parrot. And then in another area now we have more trees that are decorated in another particular way. We have been doing this particular area at Villa Top since 2021, right? So this would be the 5th year that we're doing this display at Villa. We take our work very seriously. We realize that the competition is tight. We know who our closest competitors are. So we ensure that we are one notch ahead. But competition in the 9 morning setting is done in a very friendly atmosphere.
Only 9 mornings, living up to its name.
didn't come. Nobody come. I prepare all me food for the season. Nobody come. It's not like I didn't invite them. They don't need an invitation. But like everybody stayed home and waiting on one another to come. And what we do? Feel the Christmas vibes, Vincent Christmas sweet. Go visit your friends and your family. Feel the Christmas vibes, boy, Vincent Christmas sweet. Let the Christmas spirit get you off your feet. We drink and we eat, the parang so sweet. Early, early morning, party in the street. We drink and we eat, so the parang sweet. We go in the morning, meet me on the street.
So you're matching and matching till it get all right. Right? You ready? Go. Yes. Uh-huh. 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 All right. Satisfied? How much you get right, Chester? 1. Okay, go to the back of the line. 1 right.
We are the offspring of that family. So we get together this year so that we can meet everybody. Because the family is so big that we don't know everybody, so we are trying to get to know one another. Yes, because we are spread out across St. Vincent and the Grenadines and outside the National Direct.
In the river. By your twist. By your twist. On the bank. In the river. On the bank. On the bank. By. I see in the back. By. Come down. Come down. Come down. Chung chong chong. No, right here. No, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the bank. Yes, I catch you and you. Bye.
It's 9 morning. Oh, it's actually my second time in a 9 morning activities, and it's really fun.
It's great. Yeah, this is my first 9 morning in 12 years. Yeah, so it's really, really wonderful.
Lex. Wake up.
Oh man! Everybody should be willing, cause it's Christmas again. So let's celebrate the birth of the King. We'll be rising up early for 9 months.
But he got some to salt biscuit. He got some to salt biscuit. He got some.
It's crazy all around. The street band in the streets playing parang soca songs.
True. Oh, that ain't come there. So you have to eat rest.
Yeah, you have to eat every single one. Yes. Okay, 30 seconds. Caroling, we singing, everybody should be willing, cause it's Christmas again. So let's celebrate the birth of the King. We'll be rising up early for 9 morning. Caroling, we singing, everybody should be willing, all throughout the year. Finish, stop. Stop from home. Stop.
With my team, we wish Vincent friend Merry Christmas.
It's the most important Thompson. Miriam Thompson Roach Thompson. It's the Thompson.
And excellent, and today on the first day I came. I never come all the time. And I miss it. I really miss it. It's really enjoyable. Can't wait for next year.
The 9 morning was awesome. It's always awesome in Vincent. So I'm happy to be here.
It was awesome. It was so great. We actually visited from Toronto, Canada, so this was amazing.
Oh, it was great. I'm from St. Lucia originally, but I came to St. Vincent on vacation. But we live in New York. She's from St. Vincent. I love it.
First time for 9 months.